This story is called Stranger at the Door. Knock, knock, knock. There was once a young boy and a sister. One evening their parents went out to run some late errands, which they had put off until the last minute. Before they left, they told their children not to open the door under any circumstances. They didn't pay much attention to them because they were too busy watching TV. About an hour after they left, they heard noises. It was somebody knocking at their door. Knock, 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 it went. By then, the children were in their rooms asleep. Knock, knock, knock. They awoke at once. The knocking continued. Knock, knock, knock. Who could it be? The sister wondered as she got up to check. Her brother lay awake in his bed, listening. After a while, he heard nothing, and his sister did not return. He got a little scared. He decided to go to his neighbor's house, who were very close friends of his. He got out of bed and headed for the front door in the dark. When he got to his neighbor's house, he found them awake. They told him they were relieved he was there because they had just heard on the news, not too long ago, that a murderer had been spotted just a few blocks away. In the morning, they discovered the sister's body and a discarded knife on the brother's bed.